Okay, my friends, here we have a Sub-Zero ice machine, 12 inches wide, discontinued many years ago. It's got a regular ice maker in it and just this really big bucket. And there are times when you can actually use this as a freezer by taking that bucket out of there. It's basically just a freezer. And it has a fan motor in the back. It's got a evaporator coil and also a defrost heater. Here's your thermostat. This is for your fan. This is for the ice maker, so that when you open up the door, shuts the fan off and the ice maker. Here is the serial tag. You can see there, this machine is 36 years old, model number 22IM, still running. But the customer doesn't want to remodel their whole kitchen. They want us to rebuild it. And it is still working. Had a water leak problem. The compressor still starts. The condenser fan motor is running. The evaporator fan motor is running. Here is the water valve right there. It's a standard old style water valve. It actually has been replaced. You can see that. Condenser is there in the back. And here's the condenser fan blade there. Original compressor, still running. Just an amazing machine. I don't know why Sub-Zero stopped making them. It was a great machine. But one of the problems with these machines is that people would drop ice cubes down somehow from the bucket, and they would come down and they would land here. And when you close this door, the ice cubes would crush and push this plate in, and then these fan and the fan and the ice maker switch would not engage when the door was closed because this plate was pushed in. And so that was one of the major problems we had with this machine. But it was still just a great machine, and I have a few customers still have these. I still have some genuine parts for this machine, but you can see the breaker strips are currently yellowed there. No big deal. Here's the defrost timer is in there. It takes a regular defrost timer, and there's a condenser in the front. I mean, I think they should have kept this machine on the market and just put a regular door on it, so you wouldn't have that problem with the ice cubes falling down there. Anyway, you can see the serial number down there, 614497. I believe it's an 1986. So, as I said, the customer has asked us to rebuild it. So, one of the first things we're going to do is disassemble it and take it apart and clean it, because you can see it's pretty dirty. Then the cabinet part disconnects from this bottom frame here, and we can tilt this over to get to the condenser fan motor and change that, probably change the compressor, put a new water valve in there. I'm not quite sure how far the customer wants to go with it, but she just wants us to fix it. And so that's a project that we are going to do probably over the winter, because the customer's gone to Florida for the winter, so there's no great hurry. So if you're interested in following along, shoot me an email or a response on the YouTube channel, and let me know if anyone's interested in following along. But if you never saw one of these machines before, now you have. Sub-Zero 22IM ice maker, 12 inches wide. See you later.